In this video, we'll go over how to remove the Gemini watermark from images using Google's own Nano Banana AI image editor. This will be a quick one, but learning how to remove watermarks from images will save you a ton of time and frustration, so let's get on with it. One of the biggest problems people run into when creating images in the Gemini AI app is that it always adds a Gemini watermark in the bottom right corner. But we can remove that watermark using the same Nano Banana image generator. We just need to access Nano Banana via Google Vids instead of the Gemini app. When you're logged into your Google Drive on desktop, you can access Google Vids by clicking on the menu icon in the top right corner, or by clicking on New in the top left corner and selecting Google Vids. The Google Vids interface is constantly evolving, so the Nano Banana image generator icon may be called Images or Generate, or just have an icon of a banana. In any case, it will be one of the main tools available on the right side of the Vids workspace. That opens the Google Vids image generator and editor, which is one of the best ways to access Nano Banana to remove the Gemini watermark. Go to Insert on the top menu and select Upload. This will load an image from your computer into the Vids app. Here's an image I generated with Gemini AI. It looks great, except for the watermark in the bottom right corner. After choosing to edit an image, we can enter a simple prompt explaining what we want to change about the image. I'll ask for a minor lighting adjustment and for the watermark to be removed. And just like that, the Gemini watermark is removed from the image, ready to go. We can right-click the image while previewing to download it, or choose to replace the current image, or add it as a new image to the project. Let's take a look at another example of removing the Gemini watermark with Nano Banana. Of course, this should work with any watermark. To get this result, I prompted Nano Banana to remove the watermark and add more color contrast between the robot, his clothing, and the background. That new image is truly eye-catching. If you use something like this in an ad creative, you can bet the one with the red jacket would get more clicks. Now let's have some fun and see what happens when we ask Nano Banana to change the robot's main color to gold. What a great effect. I think this image is actually sharper than the original. You can use prompts like this to create consistent characters for comic strips, book covers, and anything else you need to sell online. You can use a free Google account or a pro Google Workspace account to access Google Vids, Gemini AI, and Google's other AI apps. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and visit AIcopywritingtools.com to copy my list of go-to AI prompts.